Today I have two big news for you. First, the XPeng P7 Plus will soon officially be available for purchase in Europe, and you can buy and drive it there. But in Europe will be available only the pure electric variant, and with that we move to our second news. The P7 Plus has an option for a hybrid powertrain, and in this video I will share with you all the specifications of this new model and also do a complete test of its electric range. And of course, for my viewers from Europe, I will also share all the updates regarding the Europe-only model, what functions will be allowed and which one will be restricted. So let's get started. And just a quick reminder, to buy the XPeng P7 Plus Hybrid or pure electric or any other car from China, connect with us on WhatsApp or email. Loom Auto will make the entire process for you smooth and hassle-free. Contact us today and we will provide you a quotation within 1 business day. As for the overall aesthetics and exterior design of the P7 Plus, it combines the aesthetics of the cam-back roofline, ultra-long fastback curve and the tech-light effects of the integrated full-width slide bar with the practicality of the oversized electric lift-back tailgate. Frameless doors feature soft closing function, and frameless mirrors increase aerodynamics. Here at the rear, they flip these horizontal tail lights to lower down the visual gravity center of the car. And at the front, they replaced this horizontal light bar and now they made it solid, so it looks more minimalistic and clean. As for the wheels, there are two options with the sizes of 19 and 20 inches. And interesting that the car body features a 2000 megapascal body structure, meaning it's made of ultra-high strength steel with torsional rigidity of 40,500 Newton meters per degree. And now let's have a look of this hybrid powertrain. So the same as the G7, it comes with a 1.5-liter engine at the front and an electric motor at the rear. The engine power output is 110 kilowatt and the peak power of the electric motor is 180 kilowatt, which allows this hybrid model to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.9 seconds. However, the pure electric model that comes to Europe does it in 5.1 seconds. And the P7 features an 800-volt platform with a 5C supercharging battery, which allows it to replenish the battery charge from 10 to 80% in just 12.5 minutes. And besides that, the P7 comes with 37 safety standards and 24-hour monitoring, which means the car and its systems are being watched continuously by on-door software and cloud services to improve safety, reliability and performance over the time. As for the range, the pure electric model of P7 Plus that will be available in Europe has quite an impressive range of 725 kilometers. Now, the hybrid that we are driving today offers 405 kilometers of pure electric range, but of course with its generator it has an overall range of 1,550 kilometers, which is very impressive for such sedan. And basically, when you're driving around the city, your 405 kilometers might even be enough for a whole week. Now, if you want to go for a long road trip or you need to accidentally drive somewhere far away, of course you can take advantage of this gas engine at the front. So basically this hybrid powertrain is kind of an electric car with an option for an emergency situation when you have to drive somewhere far away. And right now I'm driving this car purely on its electric energy. We turn off the generator at the front and we're gonna go all the way until our battery gets dead. Because yes, I want to see how this car will perform in the conditions when all the electric energy is squeezed out. Is it gonna get slower? How it will perform on the road? But then of course I will turn on the generator to keep going further. And while we are taking a break, let me share with you more about this car. And let's start with its space. And yes, the P7 Plus offers a 3 meters wheelbase, and let's check how much space it offers inside. So for your reference, I'm 182 centimeters tall. I sit in a very comfortable position. Now with that, let's check how much space we have at the rear. And I think this space at the rear is comparable to the one in an SUV, because of course there is plenty of space for my knees and even for my head once I press on the button to open the door. the seat starts to recline back to kind of get back to its initial position and help me to get out of the car. And then once I close the door again, the seat automatically turns back to the position that I set before. As for the comfort features, the rear seats also offer heating, cooling, and massaging functions. And now, let's check the cargo space of the new P7 Plus. It's very spacious due to its fastback shape, and with the seats down, it has a load length of 2.1 meters. So you can put in skis, bicycles, and other large objects. As for the suspension, there is a double wishbone at the front and a 5-link suspension at the rear, and with its continuous damping control, the P7 Plus feels quite dense and firm in the sports mode, and once you switch to the comfort, it gets softer and more comfortable. The driving precision is also quite good, and the response is pretty fast. Now on the highway, let me check how fast it goes from 80 to 130 kilometers. And yes, at this speed the acceleration is not that impressive, but still the car feels quite lively on the road. And another comfortable upgrade in the new P7 Plus is that now they offer an enhanced sound isolation, and now I'm going to test it at the speed of 110 kilometers and 80 kilometers. And at the speed of 110, the noise inside the car is about 69 decibels on an even road, and about 73 when passing road joints. As for the speed of 80 km per hour, it drops down to 63 decibels. As for the interior and the tactile experience, the P7 Plus offers these comfortable seats trimmed in Nappa leather that feature heating, ventilating, and massaging functions. In the middle on the dashboard, the plastic was replaced with natural wood. The surface at the top is covered with microfiber, which has a cashmere-like texture. And these hidden air outlets add more of this high-tech futuristic vibe. And another cool, comfortable feature is that now the passenger seat comes with a zero-gravity mode. As for the cockpit design, the P7 Plus features an infotainment system that is consisted of a 15.6-inch central screen, an 8.8-inch instrument cluster, and this large vivid HUD. It is powered by an AI Turing chip and also features very advanced voice control capabilities. Down here there are two wireless 50-watt ventilated phone chargers, cup holders, and a cubby in the armrest. And you know, when talking about Chinese cars outside of China, one of the most common questions is autonomous driving. Will it be available there? And yes, here in China, the XPeng features what they call NGP, Navigation Guided Pilot. And yes, here it's very advanced. Basically, it offers you a 2.5 level autonomous driving, but unfortunately, it's not going to be available in Europe. However, there are other very interesting driving assistance features that will be available there, such as lane centering control, adaptive cruise control, automatic lane change, traffic sign recognition, and remote parking. And let me show you how these functions work. And yes, as you can see, once I go to the right side of the lane, my steering wheel starts to vibrate and the car gives me a notifies that I need to get back to the center of the road. And now let's test our autonomous parking function. So now we just need to select the place where we want to park, and we're gonna choose this one. I can also see everything on the central screen. And yes, this function will also be available in Europe. And we are 5 minutes away from our destination point. Right now, our battery charge is 25%. And yes, even now, we have not started to use our gas engine, but still the car feels same lively and same fast at the very beginning. As for the numbers, how many kilometers we've already passed and how much battery we spent, I will give it to you in a minute. And in total, we drove 190 kilometers during our test, using only the electric energy and keeping our gas engine turned off. Our battery charge went from 93% to 25%, meaning we used 68%. Extrapolating that to a full charge gives an estimated real-world range of 280 kilometers. But that's considering that we were driving on a highway with an average speed of about 100 kilometers per hour and with 3 people on board. So in a more relaxed city driving environment, the electric range of the new P7 Plus should be about 340 kilometers, and the total range, including the generator at the front, about 1,200. And I want to know what you think about this trend of new hybrid cars with these large battery packs. Please let me know down in the comments. And that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to click this like and subscribe buttons. Your support is always appreciated. And as always, that was Max, stay safe on the road and see you next time.